And the way we're going to do that today is with a kick. Okay? There's different ways to do it, but we're going to use a kick. So when we kick, all I want to do is use my lead leg. Okay? And I'm just going to step on his knee. That's it. It's nothing fancy. It's very basic. I'm just turning my foot and stepping on his knee, just like that. Okay? So the analogy here would be like a piston firing. That's where the kick is traveling. It's like a piston shooting down. If you've ever done any kind of like karate or anything like that, a lot of the time they'll kick and bring your foot back like that. We don't need to do that. We're going to use the kick as our step. Okay? So it's the same thing as me just stepping close to him and grabbing him. The only difference is that I want to kick and then step close and grab him. Okay? That was actually too hard. I should do a lighter hand to me. But the idea is that I'm turning my foot sideways so I don't miss the knee. Okay? And while I do this, I have to make sure my base is good on my back leg. So before we partner up, let's just try get into a basic fighting stance, one leg forward, one leg back. And now bring your back foot forward a little bit, just so that your front leg becomes very light. So you can take your front foot off the ground easily. Right, just like that. Now, if you can balance on your back leg and you're keeping your back knee slightly bent, so you have a little bit of flexion, okay? And when we kick, we're stomping through the step. Sit. It's almost like you're going to check the air on a tire. You're going to step on the tire to check the air. So you're kicking through the tire. Okay? So with this one, a safer way to practice with our partner is actually just to hold my hand out there instead of him using my knee. He kicks my hand, he covers his head, and then grab. That's it. That's it. Okay, so we're just using the kick to get in there and clinch. You can also use this kick defensively, where like if Tam's coming forward, right, but I don't feel the opportunity to clinch is there, I can kick and then back away too. Okay? I don't have to clinch right away. But maybe I kick, maybe he throws a jab or a hook or something. That's my opportunity to clinch. Okay? Or maybe I kick and he throws a right hand. That's my opportunity to clinch. Does that make sense? So we're basically just making the person kind of respect the distance a little bit. If they try to move too quickly, they're going to get kicked in the knee. So go very slow with your partner. No need to rush this one. So if you're the good guy, you're going to kick my lead knee now. So just slow, right? Kick and now back away first. Just so you get used to defensively keeping me at a distance, right? Shuffle away. Good. And now on the third one, kick. If I swing a left hook, boom, he doesn't move. Does that make sense? Cool. And let's go at that exact speed, no faster. Even if you've done this a million times, stay at this speed because the timing is the important part, not the speed. Okay? All right, let's give it a shot. 1, 2, 3.